Hi everyone, welcome to today's recipe. So I'm going to prepare chia seed smoothie. It's a chocolate smoothie. It's very simple and easy. So for this you'll require full fat, that is thick yogurt or either cream, or you can use coconut milk. So that's the base of it. So I've added some yogurt in this, thick creamy yogurt which is homemade, and this chia seeds have been soaked in some water for some time, and you can use either half a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon depending on your quantity that you require. And these seeds, they get bloated very quickly, so in minutes it gets expanded, it gets bloated. So you can see these seeds are soaked. So just half a tablespoon of seeds is like, it will give you so much of quantity. Very less seeds you soak, it bloats up. So these are the soaked chia seeds in water. And I'm going to use some sweetener. I'm going to use stevia powder for this. That's a sweetener. I'm going to use some chocolate powder, cocoa powder, and some cinnamon, just for some flavoring to add to its taste. And so I've already added the cinnamon in this. So you can use either yogurt, depending on your choice, whatever you prefer on your taste, or cream, or either coconut milk. So even coconut milk has very good natural sweetish taste. It will taste very nice if you make it with coconut milk. Anyways, I don't have the patience to make my fresh coconut milk, so that's the reason it was ready, the yogurt, so that's the reason I've added it. Now you can also add protein powder in this, and you can have it, so it will make it a complete meal. So if you have protein powder, you can include it in this, but for today I have not used it. Now I'll add the sweetener. So you get this either in powder or in liquid form. Just a little of it. You can either use the powder or the liquid sweetener. And I'll add in the cocoa powder. Now let's mix this. You can also use a hand blender and mix it. I'm going to do it with my spoon. So just check for the consistency that you want. Let's see, if you want a little thick, I think I'll add 1 spoon more. So there are 2 varieties of chia seeds that you'll get. One is this one, black looking seeds, which you soak, and when it bloats up, you can add this for chia seed pudding or cold stuff like smoothies. And there's also, you get the brown one, chia seed. So let's see, next time I'll use that and I'll make some kheer out of that. So you can also add in this some nuts, okay, finely chopped nuts for the garnishing, or some nut powder. I'm going to pour it. It's got a nice good texture. So I'm just going to add some chocolate chips. So you can also grate some dark chocolate if you have with you, some nuts. Okay, now tasting time. Master Chef has arrived to taste it.
Shall I taste it?
You know what is it?
No.
No,
Oh,
have it
I can
directly.
see.
Have it directly.
Oh.
Supposed to
let
drink
me
it.
see.
No, you're supposed to drink it.
I know what is put.
It is chocolate smoothie.
You put curds?
Yes.
Oh, see, I didn't know what you have used.
So you can put curds, cream, or coconut milk. But coconut milk was not there presently. I didn't have the patience to prepare coconut milk fresh.
The curds is fresh.
It's thick, homemade, your curds. How is it?
Very nice. The sweetness that you put now is just appropriate. Oh, sorry, I don't have.
Keep some for me.
Done, huh? The crunchiness of that, you put some chocolate in there.
Yeah, chocolate chips.
I'll have one.
That proves it that it's a good preparation.
Obviously, it is good. Chal, I'm going. Bye.
Hardly anything left for me.
Just shut up, okay? How you expect me to just take little when it is tasty? I can actually finish the whole thing and won't leave you anything. This much is okay, no? You can make for yourself. Curds is there so much. Chalo, bye. Bye.
So do try this out. My preparation of the chia seed chocolate smoothie. And you can also add whey powder in this. Protein powder, any protein powder that you have. And you can make your own variations. Chalo, bye bye. I'll see you all in my next cooking vlog. Bye bye.